Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Messenger app without the use of AppLock. To lock a Messenger app, you don't actually need to use AppLock because it has it built in. To do that, open your Messenger app, go to menu, now click on settings, scroll down and look for privacy and safety. Now click on AppLock. You now have an option to unlock with biometrics. Turn it on. It's going to ask you for your face unlock or your fingerprint. You use whatever you have enabled on your device. After that, you're going to have an option to set the lock screen to any time frame you want. You have 1 hour, 15 minutes, 1 minute, or after you leave Messenger. You can choose after you leave Messenger if you want. So anytime you open your Messenger app, it will require for your biometrics to unlock Messenger app. So that's how you lock Messenger app without the use of AppLock. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.